Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage wallpapers on a HP laptop. For this, first let's click on the start and move to our settings. Inside we want to select personalization, then background, and right here you can change your background type from picture to solid color, slideshow or window spotlight. If you decide to pick picture, you can change between all of the recent images. In this case there's all of the preset images that are default for Windows. Then we can also set our own photo as a wallpaper by clicking on browse photos and then finding it inside our files. Double click on it and it should appear right here. You'll be able to select it. Then we can choose how it will fit our desktop image, and you can fill it, fit it, stretch it, tile it, center it or span it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.